Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an API key in Google AI Studio. This is a very simple process, and if you're planning to use Google's Gemini models or any of their AI tools, you're definitely going to need an API key. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to studio.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account because you won't be able to access your keys otherwise. Once the page loads, look at the right side of the screen and click on the button that says Get API Key. This will take you to a page where you can see all the API keys you've previously created. If this is your first time, the list will be empty, and that's perfectly fine. Now, to create a new key, go to the upper right corner and click on Create API Key. A small window will pop up, and here you can enter any name you want for your new key. I'm going to name this one Test 1, but you can choose whatever works best for your project or workflow. Below the name field, you'll see an option to select a cloud project. You can either import an existing project or create a brand new one. For this demonstration, I'm going to select the default Gemini project. Once you've chosen your project, click on Create Key, and Google AI Studio will instantly generate a new API key for you. After the key is created, it will appear in your list of keys. To copy it, simply click on the key icon. The key will appear on your screen, and next to it you'll see a small copy button. Click that button and the API key will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into any app or project where you need authentication. On the left side of each key, you'll see 3 dots that open a small menu. From here, you can rename the key or delete it if you no longer need it. For example, you can rename Test 1 to something like Test 2 and click Update to save the change. And if you want to delete the key entirely, just select Delete and confirm the action. Google will remove it from your list immediately. And that's it. That is how you create, copy, rename, and delete an API key in Google AI Studio. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll